measure of worlds, an archive drifts in the dark. Every dream, every discovery, every story ever spoken is kept here. These shelves do not end. They stretch with the universe itself. Within these vibrant stellar nurseries, new worlds are forged from the dust and gas of dying stars.
The universe held a record of everything, every thought, every action, every event. That idea is called the Akashic Records. Akasha comes from ancient Sanskrit meaning ether or space, an invisible field that some believe holds all of reality. But while there's no scientific proof, modern physics offers a twist. That information may be a truly fundamental part of reality itself. So, does the universe remember everything?
Science has not found evidence for the Akashic Records. There is a fascinating theory in physics that sounds surprisingly similar. It's called the holographic universe theory. This idea suggests that everything we experience in 3 dimensions might actually be encoded on a 2-dimensional surface. The universe is built from information, then our own thoughts and memories are part of that same tapestry. Each mind could be a tiny pattern in the greater code. For now, it's a metaphor that inspires both science and spirituality, an invitation to key experiences that we don't need to grieve and launch this brain. And every question we ask, every pattern we notice, threads another line between the cosmos and the self. The more we connect those lines, the more the universe feels less like a distant expanse and more like a home. Every sunrise is a reminder that the code is still running, still writing itself in the light. And as long as we keep looking up and out and in, there's no end to what we might discover.
In other words, reality itself could behave like a cosmic hologram. The theory comes from research into black holes and quantum physics. Physicists discovered something strange. When information falls into a black hole, it may not disappear. Instead, the information appears to be stored on the surface of the black hole's boundary. This led scientists to propose something radical. What if the entire universe works the same way? If the holographic principle is correct, the universe may fundamentally be made of information. Every particle, every interaction, every event could be encoded into the fabric of space itself. But this doesn't mean there is a literal cosmic library storing human thoughts. The holographic principle describes how physical information might be structured in the universe, not mystical records. Still, it reveals something profound. Reality may be far more information-based than we once imagined. So, while the Akashic Records remain a spiritual idea, modern physics is beginning to show that information might be the deepest layer of reality itself.